Have you ever felt the sinking feeling of accidentally deleting an important text message? You're not alone. Texts are a crucial part of our mobile lives, offering comfort and connection, but sometimes we delete them by mistake. Don't panic just yet. There are ways to retrieve those lost messages, and we're here to guide you through them. First, let's explore the archives method. If you use Android messages, you might have archived the text instead of deleting it. Simply open Android messages, tap your profile icon, and select Archived. Your lost message might be waiting there. If archiving didn't work, the next method involves restoring from a backup. This requires you to have backed up your device before the deletion. To restore from a backup, you'll need to perform a factory reset and then restore your phone from the backup. Samsung users have an extra advantage with the recycle bin feature. It's like having a safety net for your texts. Open Samsung Messages, tap the three-dot menu and select Recycle Bin. Find your message and tap Restore. If all else fails, you might need to ask the sender to resend the message. But with these methods, you have a good chance of recovery.